How to hide your IP address for free. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can hide your IP address for free. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. And without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First of all, what you will need to do is you will need to head over to your Google Play Store and search for VPN. So from here you can download a VPN, which there are a lot of different options. You can download the best free ones. You can find multiple VPNs such as SuperVPN. You can find Norton, Proton VPN, and many more. So using a VPN will create an encrypted tunnel masking your IP address and replacing it with a VPN server's IP. So it's really easy to use and most of it is free, so it will get hidden. Other than VPN, you can also use a Tor browser, which is best for anonymity, where you can use it. You can download and install it and you can use it. So what it does is it's a free software that routes your traffic through multiple volunteer run server, and your IP address and your data is encrypted. So that's the best option for anonymity, but we will be using a VPN just in case. It's much easier to use. So download a VPN. So there are a lot of VPNs. We'll just go ahead and select this Proton VPN, tap on the install button and let it get downloaded. Now other than that, you can also use a public Wi-Fi. Using a public Wi-Fi is also a lot safer when it comes to hiding your IP address. So you can connect to a coffee shop or a library Wi-Fi and you can temporarily use that IP location's IP address. So you can see I've downloaded the Proton VPN. You can open it up and you can start setting it up. So you can sign in and let's continue as guest. And all you have to do is just tap on the connect button to connect and give it permission, and you are now connected to the VPN. And that's how you hide your IP address for free. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.